Yeah, but
Okay, but it's there.
I know it's there.
Yeah, you know, and that's what I was going to show you next. Okay, now I don't want to spend too much time on this because these are, you don't have, this is a QED switchboard versus the MCC has the bucket. So the maintenance on this is the same thing. I did tell you that if water, if any of the square D equipment gets exposed to water,
Right.
your warranty is automatically void, right?
Right.
Okay, I told you what you did as far as a fault or how you would inspect it. The inspection after a fault and the inspection after water damage is the same thing as you would inspect after a PM or you're going to do for a PM. You're looking for anything that's frayed, anything that's got any kind of overheating, that shows overheating, any kind of soot or debris as far as the fault is concerned. Water damage, you're going to be looking for water spots and you're going to be looking for corrosion and stuff like that. On a PM, you're going to be looking for all of that, essentially. So, and to get it or to access it, you have to de-energize it in a certain sequence, and then you go back and then you energize it in reverse order of how you de-energize it. I mean, it's very simple, cut and dry. The thing is that needing to understand, and on this one, I don't think I did any kind of.
I know the main on those panels like that carried a module.
Yes, I'm going to cover.
And the secondary breakers in the side panels would carry one also.
Some of them do, some of them don't, depending on the size of the breaker.
Right.
Right.
800s, yeah, 400s.
Right.
Yeah, they did. And I've had to change them a couple of times.
The tributes?
Yeah.
Oh, so you already had experience on that then? Oh, okay, well, good.
I ran into that several years ago.
Okay, well, great. Well, do I need to cover that? Or would it help you to kind of refresh your mind or get a little bit more detail to it or something like that, understand a little bit more or something like that or the other? Maintaining the switchboard vacuum, we've talked about vacuuming versus using pressurized air, why you don't use pressurized air.
Air's got moisture.
Right, and you're going to be checking for
Plus you're scattering all the dust.
Exactly.
And this section back over to this section.
Correct. Right. Okay. Verify all key interlock systems, maintain and perform maintenance using the checklist, pre-energizing checklist to re-energize the switchboard after maintenance. Inspection after following a short circuit. There it is again. An entire inspection. Over any current device interrupted. Inspect and test the overcurrent device that interrupted the short circuit. So we were talking about like here, remember? Because of a fault there, something like that, okay? You want to test it. Now here's where I was telling you about those LEDs, and that's the device we were just talking about right here. This is that little trip unit, Micrologic 6.0A, or it could be 3-point, 5-point, or 6-point. The 3.0A is just giving you long time instantaneous, okay? The 5.0A is going to give you long time instantaneous and long time, short time, and instantaneous is the 5.0. LSI.
Okay.
So you have the 3.0 is LI, the 5.0 is LSI, and the 6.0 is LSIG.
The units I worked with were just a little plug-in. It was 1 inch by 2 inches.
Oh, those are black in nature, though.
Black in nature. And
Okay.
the amperage.
Okay, now those are a little bit simpler than this one right here. This one is basically, these take the place of that little,
Oh, really?
of that, right, of that more or less ammeter trip unit that we're talking about.
More technology.
More technology, exactly. That one that you're talking about, yeah, that's a older vintage. That's a Micrologic Series B. This is a Micrologic 6.